Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching my videos, and a special thanks to all those who have liked the videos and subscribed to my channel. Today I am going to tell you the top 10 activities that you should do in Rishikesh according to me. My top pick is river rafting. Rishikesh is one of India's best sites for river rafting. It's a must-do activity when you visit Rishikesh. I would personally prefer that you go for 24 kilometers at least, since there are many thrilling rapids like roller coaster, golf course, return to center, and you will really enjoy rafting in the Ganges. Bungee jumping. Unlike river rafting, this is a solo activity and it's twice as scary than rafting. But the experience is worth it. You can literally feel the adrenaline rush. This is a must-do activities for adventure junkies, and I can give you only one advice, is don't look down. Flying Fox is fairly easy as compared to the first two. Jumping Heights has Asia's largest flying fox, where you can get a view of the entire valley. The next one is Giant Swing. This is located at the same site of bungee jumping and at the same height of 83 meters. The only difference is that it's a pendulum free fall. This is as thrilling as bungee jumping with the same chills. You can do all the booking and get all the details of Flying Fox, bungee jumping and Giant Swing at Jumping Heights website. This is the only pit stop you will get during rafting. By this point, all the major rapids are done. This activity is fairly easy and it's a fun activity to do. At the same location of the cliff jumping point is also the Maggie Point. One can enjoy the scenic view, take photographs, and enjoy a nice plate of hot masala Maggie. This is the only point you get where you can sit and relax in the entire route of rafting. Next one is my favorite, it's camping at the Ganga. This is a whole new experience altogether. This campsite is located at the banks of the river Ganga in a village called Shivpuri. You can really enjoy having a small dip, staying in the tent, enjoying the bonfire and playing outdoor activities like volleyball and cricket. Rishikesh is a small city and it has a lot of scenic views to offer because of the valley. A bike or a two-wheeler is the cheapest and most convenient mode of transport here. Also, you can ride your bike on the Lakshman Jhula, which is a unique experience. Rishikesh is the holy place in India for Hindus. You must watch the evening Aarti at Trimbakeshwar temple. This temple is located at the banks of the river Ganga near the famous Lakshman Jhula. You can also visit the Ram Jhula. After all the adventure activities are done, you can visit the city, get a feel of the city vibe, and in the evening you can enjoy the sunset at a local cafe. If you are a total adventure junkie and rafting and bungee jumping is not enough, you can surely try out these activities. The links to all these activities is in the description. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you need any information about planning a trip to Rishikesh, please leave your questions in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.